Hello, welcome to the next Scratch tutorial for beginners, and today we're just going to make I'll teach you how to make your own sprites. So I'll just create a new project. And okay, so I'm going to delete the cat and press this choose a sprite button and press paint. And I'm going to teach you how to use all these little tools here. Okay, let's start with the circle making one. So let's just change this. Let's click the arrow and press this button. And if you click and drag, it will make a circle or an oval, or if you hold shift and make it, will always be a perfectly round circle. No ovals. No ovals allowed. Sorry, ovals, but it's for tutorial reasons. Okay, so I'll teach you how to use the reshape tool here next. So when you click it, you'll get these little dot things here, and you can drag them around and make shapes, and you can click to add dot. A tick, not the bug tick, cross tick. Whoop. Okay, I think you get the point of that. Okay, I'll make a new circle to practice on. Okay, what about the fill tool? So we can change this to any color we like by just dragging these, and the color you want will show up here. That's a nice color, let's use that. Ta-da, the circle has been filled in, and we can use the reshape tool again. I just like that tool. Let's make a Pac-Man. There you go. Not really. And this is an undo button. You can press it a few times and it will undo things. Okay, I'll teach you the eraser/rubber depending on where you're from. So you'll see this little white circle. You can, do things like that, and that, and that, and that, or this. Yeah, no more circle. I'll make a new one. Okay, next tool, the arrow tool. You can click and move this around with your arrow keys, or you can, this is a nice trick, you hold shift and tap the arrow keys and it moves faster. Yes, that's a good tool. The paint tool, I like this one. You can just redraw 8. Happy, yay, Mr. 8. Not the best person I've ever drawn, but we'll just press the undo button a couple of times. Okay, any ones I haven't shown you. Oh yes, the line tool. You click and drag and then it makes a nice line. I think you can hold shift, you can hold shift and you'll get straight line in any of these directions. Oh, something else good about this line tool you can click from the end of a line and keep drawing. The arrow of glory. Okay, next tool, the text tool. Not texting on your phone, but typing stuff. Typing. Did I spell that wrong? Stuff. Yeah. And you can rotate that. Typing stuff. Oh, something else to show you with this select tool. You can spin things. Oh, this is a circle, so it doesn't make any difference. Well, you can spin things around, make them bigger and smaller, and you can stretch them. Yeah, okay, back to the typing stuff tool. We can change the font here. Oh, let's try this one. Hello? Doesn't change the font that much. Pixel. Pixelated. Let's rotate that too. Okay, next tool, the square tool. Project could not save. Try again. Okay, please ignore that. It should go away after a while. Oh, there you go. If that ever happens to you, just constantly press the try again button and it should work. Okay, the square tool. Like a circle, you can press shift and hold to make a perfect square, or you can not press shift and hold. Ooh, something's gone on with the outline there. Okay, let's not worry. Yeah, wait, now a good tip for making things look good. Instead of having a black outline, change it to like a slightly darker version of, oh no, slightly less saturated, is it? Or darker? Yeah, I think it's darker. A slightly darker version of the color. Oh. There. There you go. Well, you can almost see that. There. Well, that didn't look the best. But if you do it well, it will look very nice. Oh, by the way, to delete something, you just click on it with the select tool and press delete. Okay, attempt 2. Maybe I need more saturation and a bit more brightness. Hang on. Maybe if I turn the brightness down to 90. This should work. No, it's wrong. Turn this up a bit to, let's say, 10. Yeah, there you go, that looks good. The perfect looking square. We can give him a face too if we like. With the draw tool. Let's make his face. Oh, yeah. You press this little button if you want to take a color from somewhere and use it. I'll just take the color from the outline of this square. And now I'll give him a face. Yay. Jeremy. That's Jeremy, my cube. Jeremy is angry now. Okay, think I've covered all the different things, and thank you for watching, and goodbye. Watch the next video when it comes out, and please subscribe and tell your friends. Bye.